Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy, and quick. Today, super easy, super fast, soft chicken tacos. Really, dinner in minutes. Olive oil, onions, green peppers, I've got some minced chicken breast, salt, cumin, coriander, garlic powder, tomato paste, paprika, chili pepper. I'm going to add some black pepper, just adding a little bit of water. The chicken's already cooked, by the way. It's just so all the spices and everything marries well together. I've got red kidney beans. I'm just going to let it cook for a few minutes and it's ready. Just a little bit of coriander. It really took less than 10 minutes. Everybody makes their own. So just put a little bit of your chili there, a little bit of salsa, pico de gallo, and a little bit of sour cream. It doesn't get any faster than this.